Alright, today we're going to do the unboxing and setup of the Synology DiskStation DS220 Plus. This is the latest Synology for me. I have, I think, 7 different Synologies already, ranging from the DS412 Plus all the way to the DS416 Slim and the DS218. So this is the latest model I just got, and it's because I need to expand my data yet again. I just need to have a lot of data because I store a lot of movies. I don't stream anything. I don't have Netflix, and I don't like to stream anything. So I like to have all my files downloaded. So I have all my movies downloaded, all my TV shows, anime, all my music, in addition to my personal photos and videos, and my YouTube videos as well. So I have to have a lot of storage to manage all that, and I play a lot of games too, and sometimes I store the backup for the game files as well. So yeah, I have a lot of need for storage space, and yet again I find myself in need of another disk station. I already have like 24 terabytes of data that's been rated across all my disk stations, and that's still not enough for me. So I need to expand yet again, and here I got another 2-bay, because the 4-bays I guess are always pretty expensive. I like to have a 4-bay, but yeah, the 4-bays are quite expensive. So yeah, I always end up getting the 2-bays. I think I got the DS218 last year. So yeah, this is the 220. So I'm gonna do unboxing, and then we're gonna just set it up with 2 hard drives. I usually get WD Reds. I think I usually got WD Red 3 terabytes, but this time I got the 4 terabytes. They weren't really that much more, so you know, why not just have a terabyte more storage? And it's going to use the Synology hybrid RAID. So always, you know, for NASs, right, for network attached storage, I always RAID them across both of them, and for Synology, that's the brand I've always been using. I know there's also, I think QNAP is the other one that's kind of big, and Drobo as well, but I've been stuck to Synology since 2014, so that's been what I've been using. And it has the Synology hybrid RAID configuration, which basically duplicates your data across both devices in a different way, I think, compared to RAID 0. So it's not strict duplication. I think they do it in their own way. But anyways, you'll have to look up the technicalities of that. Just suffice to say that these 4 terabytes is 8 terabytes in total, of course, but only really half of it is kind of usable since it's duplicated, right? So really only 4 terabytes here is usable. That's why when I do the 3 terabytes, I think for my DS218, I did 3 terabytes WD Reds as usual, and then with the Synology RAID, you get roughly about 3 terabytes, right? You have 2 of these, so really only one of them after you duplicate. So, well, this time I'm going to get 4 terabytes, which is a nice upgrade. And yeah, the setup for the Synologies, especially the 2-bays, is quite simple in my opinion. So I'm just going to take this quick video and show you guys exactly how to set it up. Be fairly simple. This is a newest addition to my family of Synology servers, so yeah, it's very similar to my DS218 actually. Very similar. Okay. Alright, so yeah, that's fairly similar to the other Synology 2-bays. You have your status symbol, your LAN 1, LAN 2. It has 2 networking ports. I always only use 1 because I don't have enough Ethernet ports, right? I would use 2 to increase the speed. You have another USB 1 to attach a stick. AC adapter, fan right there. Very simple. Again, I haven't used any other NAS. Like I haven't used QNAPs, I haven't used Drobos, but in my experience, I've always been using Synology, so this is very common to me. Another USB here. You got disk 1, disk 2, hard drive activity. This one, I don't think I've ever had to use this. What is this, clean button or something like that? Not really sure what this does. Never used it. In the power button, of course. So yeah, you push this out. These are the 2 hard drive adapters for the 3.5 millimeter. So yeah, these are the hard drive adapters for the 3.5 inch hard drives we'll be using. And Synology has different models for both 3.5 inch and 2.5 inch. So my DS416 Slims use 2.5 inch hard drives, a lot of which I actually salvaged from my old external hard drives. I had a lot of external hard drives that were using 2.5 inch drives, and I salvaged those, and I put those in my, I just kept getting DS16 Slims. I have 3 of those, and I put them all in those NASs basically to reuse them. So yeah, I have the WD Reds, 4 terabytes. Just gotta line it up. This. We have a quick installation guide, which I'm fine with. I don't really need it since I've done this so many times. Our disk stations, you have the power cord and the brick right there. They all use the same connector, so I can always swap between different connectors because of my different family of drives. And the Ethernet cable, of course, comes with one. I'm running out of space on my Ethernet switcher. I need to get maybe a bigger switcher so I can put even more Ethernet cables in. And then you have the screws, of course, necessary. You got two. They give you two RJ45 cables. That's nice of them. I'm not going to use both of them, but it's nice to give you two. So yeah, that's all that comes in the box. So yeah, these screws are necessary for this. So yeah, we're just gonna line these up. Okay, I'm gonna take off these panels, side panels here. Line those up. Remove these side panels. Okay, and I think that should be good. Make sure that the connector side is facing this way. All right. And all that's left is just screw these in. So yeah, I'm just gonna screw these in, pretty simple. Okay. I believe there's how many? 6 per bay here. There's 6 screws per bay. Should they give you 4, 5? Interesting. Are they missing 2 screws? I don't think they gave me 12. They only gave me 10. They only gave me 10 screws. Are they missing 2? I think they're supposed to give me 12. So I really do need kind of 6 per hard drive bay here. Yeah, that's weird. They only gave me 5. And it's like missing one. Not sure why. These are fresh WD drives. I haven't been set up. Keep in mind, when you set them up, it's you can't really use them for other things. It's kind of used as a NAS drive. Well, that's what WD Reds are for anyways. You wouldn't really use these for a normal computer. You would probably use greens, or yeah, probably WD greens or Seagate Barracudas. Alright, simple as that, really. Yep, and then you just slide them in. So drag goes here, and then the case back on. And that's it, really. That's the setup of the DS220 Plus. And all you have to do is all I have to do is connect it with the AC adapter. Then I just turn it on, and then go through. I have to go to find.synology.com to find it on the network after I connect it to my LAN. So I connect it to my network. After that, to my router. Then I search for it on find.synology.com. And then after I log into the DSM software, it's going to ask me to set up everything, and then I can initialize everything, and then I'll have 4 terabytes ready to go for use as another storage. So that's it. That's the DS220 Plus. Yeah. So there it is, guys. There is the Synology DS220 beside all my other Synologies. As you can see, I have 8 now. I know that seems crazy, but yeah, I have a lot of data to store. So yeah, this is the DS218 I bought last year. Then there's the DS220. I got 3 DS416 Slims with 2.5-inch hard drives. And then I got 2 DS416s, and I got DS412 Plus. This was my first one. So started with this one back in 2014, and then I basically worked my way to have a collection here now. So yeah, that's it. And it's flashing because I still have yet to set it up. But yeah, that's my Synology DS220 in the setup. Thanks for watching.